Not sure if you buckled your baby in just right?
Here's how to make sure your baby is safe and snug and ready for every stroll. Before buckling, straighten out the straps across baby's shoulders and hips. Now we're going to buckle him in. For a 3-point harness, you're just going to get the straps and attach it into the crotch clip. Some harnesses have a magnetic closure, so with a push of a button, you're able to release, and then it instantly also connects the same way, like magic. For a 5-point harness, you want to make sure to put the shoulder straps down, buckle it into the center point, and then do the same for the waist straps, also buckling them to the center clip. With more traditional buckles, you'll push the button to unlatch all the straps, and to put them back in, you'll have to individually place them one by hand, snapping them all into the center point.
Now give everything a little tug, make sure your baby is upright, and you're good to go.